This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, skylight, awning, water heater, Colorado Detector, microwave, external shower, oven, refrigerator, leveling jacks, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is 5,920 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.